All right, next we're looking at percent increase, decrease word problems. Let's check it out. If you bought a stock last year for a price of $137 and has gone down 3.3% since then, how much is the stock worth now to the nearest cent? All right, so this is our percent decrease. So we're going to do our principal, 1 minus our rate, right? So if you bought stock last year for $137 and it's gone down 3.3%. So $137 is that principal amount. And it's going down by 3.3%, 0.033. Oh boy. And then you can go ahead and grab your calculator. Just 1 second. Okay. Sorry about that. So now we're going to grab our calculator, and it'll help us calculate this. So we're going to do, but we're still going to follow PEMDAS, right? Because we don't want our calculator to do all the thinking for us. So we're going to do our subtraction. 1 minus 0.033. 1 minus 0.033. And we get 0.967. And then we're going to do 137 times 0.967. So we're going to do 137 times 0.967, and we get 132.479. And they want us to round to the nearest cent. So that means that 5 and above, give it a shove. So that 9 is going to round that 7 up to an 8. So 132.48. Let's see what Delta Math says. Enter, enter. Hey, they liked it. All right. And that is how you do percent increase, decrease with word problems. Okay, so I knew it was a decrease because it's gone down. And I just used my formula for there.